Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Lloyds credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the search box, type in Lloyds credit card and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the search result. Go and click on this first link where it says credit card / apply for a credit card online / Lloyds Bank. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this page. You'll need to go log into your Lloyds Bank online banking account in order to access your credit card. Go to the top right hand corner and click the log on link. Now select whether you'd like to log into your personal banking or business online banking. Make sure to choose any one. In my case, I'm going to choose the first option. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login screen. Go to the first text box and type in your user ID and head over to the next field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgotten Your Log-On Details link and follow the instructions in order to look for your credentials. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this Remember My User ID box and make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Once you're done entering the credential, click the Continue button and you'll be able to access your internet banking account for Lloyds Bank. Go ahead and select the credit card option in order to end up in the credit card homepage. That is how you can easily log into your Lloyds credit card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.